Hi guys. So I just came from church and it was interesting. We visited a new church today and it was interesting. But it taught me today that we need, including me, we need to get up and stop play quiet while others are ruining the church and the family of God. Because hello? But anyhow, I think it is crazy and to say the least. And even some things that were said today, like we almost walk out because huh? But at one point I turned to my husband and I said, you never bring no stone. Because in the Bible days they would have definitely stoned this brother. But anyhow, someone invited us and we just say we are go and we ended up there and yeah, we not go back. But anyhow, what did you learn from church today? Personally.
Personally?
Yes.
Me? No. Man, up your foolishness.
And what did you learn?
So people like Connors need to go out there and teach the word of God.
Yes, Minister Greenland.
I know we are ministers.
What's your takeaway?
So Connors need to go to church and step up and stop sitting back on the back burner. She's a qualified theologian. People need to hear her voice.
But yourself, I said personally to you.
There's no takeaway from me.
Yeah, look at a piece of bean, you see? When I look.
I'm eating fried.
We never ask the way I eat. Moral of the story. Even in the craziest situations, there's still a message there for you, because even though the man did a chat foolishness, the message was clear that we need to get up and stop allowing nonsense to be preached around the pulpit. Hello?